So today I'm going to show you how to properly research your items using eBay. A lot of people think they're doing it right, but it can be very difficult. So the first thing you do, you go to eBay. Now, I had a client today who was asking me about a Lladro, Romeo and Juliet. So you search it up. So far, you're probably good. Here's where it gets complicated. So if you go here, you're going to see the same piece, $250, another one for $675, this one $900, this one $175, taking $675, $288, this one $1,300. So what is the price of the Lladro? Here's where we get it. So in order to figure out what it's worth, you don't want to know what they're asking. This is what everyone is asking for them. This is not going to help. So over here, you go to Advanced. And then you scroll down to where it says sold. Then you hit sold, you hit search. Now you think you got it, but we're not done. So over here you see 700, 250, 4 1/4, 480, 207. What is the right number that it actually sold for? Because it's in green means it does sell. It did sell. However, no bids. They took the best offer. You will never know what it actually sold for. 250, one bid, not multiple bids. I wouldn't trust this number. Again, they could have taken the best offer. 4 1/4, no good. 480, same thing. These are all items what they were asking for. Now, if you scroll down to here, it says $207.50 with 12 bids. This is an actual number. Of course, you have to include the shipping over here, but this number means it really sold. 12 bids, people actually bid on the item, and it sold for this number, and that's what you need to know. So if you're looking to find out what this piece is worth, this is the only result that I would trust. And that's basically how you do it. Any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm happy to help you look up your items, but you should be able to do it yourself, doing what I just told you to do.
Please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.